Hey, 4xe fans. Hey, I just saw a post on Facebook of someone who had just gotten their Wrangler 4xe back from getting a new hybrid battery installed. And it was 5.5 weeks from the time they took it to the dealership to the time they got their vehicle back. And 3 or 4 weeks is not abnormal for most people when they're getting their battery replaced. And I just got to say, Jeep, we know that you know that we know that you know that there's a pretty decent failure rate going on with the hybrid batteries in the 4xe. We're estimating somewhere in the 20% range. I have no idea what the real numbers are, but that's what we've found in our little polls, and that number is climbing over time as these vehicles get a little bit older and more people are hitting that end of life prematurely in their 4xe battery. So that's an issue for Samsung SDI to deal with. It's an issue for Stellantis to deal with. But here's my challenge that I think is only fair to ask, that Jeep get their logistical network set up so that we can get a hybrid battery at a dealership inside of 5 business days. I just don't think that's unreasonable to expect. And I know these batteries have to be shipped over land. They can't be flown. I know there's a lot of issues with that. But given that we now know the excessively high failure rate of the batteries, and that's only going to climb over time, that it's important to get people's vehicles back to them. Service is part of the ownership process, and Jeep, we are asking for that. Those of us, we've got a Honda in our family, and I'm telling you, Honda service is top notch. And it doesn't seem to matter what dealership you go to. And I think some auto manufacturers need to learn from that. 5.5 weeks for a vehicle to be down for a part that is still manufactured and still going to the assembly line today. This isn't like an old part that, we're having to wait from some warehouse that there's only one of them in the country or something. This is a currently produced vehicle, and it's got the same battery that's going to the assembly line. So I think that's a challenge for Jeep to look at and think about, how can we get our logistic network dispersed to the point that we can get a battery to just about any dealership in the lower 48. I'm not expecting miracles in Alaska and Canada, but at least in the continental United States, get a battery to a dealership within 5 business days. I think that should be a goal for Jeep to set. Hey, thanks for watching and take care.